Hello and welcome. You're watching Too Sharp with PT and I'm Nisha Poddar. Let's get you the two important news developments of this day that you must know about. So Indian markets, they surged and heavyweight Reliance Industries stock zooms 5% post its earnings. Sensex and Nifty surged on Monday, driven by better than expected earnings from heavyweight Reliance Industries. And also because of the positive cues that were coming in from the Asian markets, with investors closely monitoring the tensions between India and Pakistan. So Sensex jumped 1,000 points, Nifty gained around less than 300 points, and all the sectoral indices except IT ended in the green. Here are the top reasons that you must know about the market rally. So better than expected Reliance results after the Q4 beat the estimates. Retail as well as digital businesses drove strong numbers and the stock jumped 5%, alone adding 300 points to Sensex gains. Now the brokerages have raised target price up to 31% upside potential. Second, sustained FII buying boosts the sentiments in the market. FIIs bought stocks worth over 32,000 crore rupees in the last 8 sessions, and weak dollar also is helping. So weakening dollar lifts the emerging market sentiment. Dollar index fell to 99.6 from over 109 in Feb that we had seen. And therefore, emerging markets like ours are looking more attractive. Consumer stocks are doing well. Rupee stability is adding further confidence. Crude oil prices, they have eased, slipped below $67 a barrel, and lower oil prices, remember, is a good news for India's macro current account deficit, and the import bill comes down. So positive spillover is also seen in PSU banks as well as the consumer stocks. Fifth is the positive global cues. The Asian markets edged up today, and Trump's China trade comments really lifted the global mood. But caution still lingers amid tension. So markets brush off India-Pakistan tensions for now, but veteran investors say that history shows that limited long-term market impact is there, and analysts advise tight stop losses and selective buying. Major risk, escalation of conflict, could really trigger volatility. Let's now talk about the star performer Reliance Industries, which beats its Q4 performance, and Mukesh Ambani owned Reliance Industries reported a better than expected March quarter performance, and India's largest conglomerate posted a 2% year-on-year rise in the consolidated net profit at 19,407 crore rupees. It beat the analysts' estimates, which was also followed then by the brokerage firms lifting their target price as high as 1,708 rupees per share. The revenue from operations grew 10% YOY for Reliance, and analysts raised their target price, seeing up to 31% upside. Let's take a look at what really were the positive aspects. Nuvama says bullish on new energy vertical. CLSA says strong retail growth as well as quick commerce will push as positives. Nomura, 3 triggers: new energy, Jio tariff hike as well as Jio IPO. Morgan Stanley says retail as well as O2C businesses outperformed is a positive. And JP Morgan says retail growth of plus 16% YOY supports the stock upside. Motilal Oswal expects 13 to 14% CAGR in EBITDA and PAT over FY25 and 27. Macquarie calls it a potential growth inflection point. Let's take a look at Jio performance. Well, Jio's Q4 net profit rose close to 25% YOY. Revenue rose a little over 15% YOY, and ARPU grew 1.4%. Telecom tariff hike impact is fully absorbed, not absorbed yet. Now, looking at the challenges and analyst concerns on Jio, well, the analysts have cut Jio's enterprise value to $111 billion from $117 billion. So Jio's mobile revenue growth is lagging Airtel post the tariff hike, and costs are also rising due to the 5G rollout and higher network and SG&A expense. So deferred spectrum payments and fiber rollout are also increasing the liabilities, and Jio 5G subscriber base has crossed 191 million. Analysts see 5G monetization as a key future sweet spot for Jio, and for us, our take is that probably a telecom tariff hike as well as the potential Jio IPO are some of the key aspects which is revving up the stock apart from the performance by the company, and could continue to create momentum because of these two events coming up or the potential of them coming up. So keep an eye out on Big Boy Reliance Industries, star performer today, 300 points added by this heavyweight to Sensex gain of 1,000 points. With that, it's a wrap on Too Sharp with ET. Thanks so much for joining, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks so much.